How to fix Roblox error code 268 on your Roblox. So in this video guys, I will show you the correct way how to fix this problem on your Roblox on your phone. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps or applications. Here you have to search for Roblox. When you found Roblox guys, just open it. Where is Roblox? This. And then go to storage and click on clear cache here and go back. Click on force stop and click OK. And now what's next? You have to go to Play Store and now update your Roblox if it's not updated. And if it's not working to you, you have now to install your Roblox, like you have to disable it and enable it again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you another